Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now by waking the Garmin and opening the controls menu. This is where quick power mode's live. Once awake, make sure the screen isn't locked so touches register. Look at the battery percentage to confirm you're not critically low. If you are, plug it in briefly. Now locate the battery saver icon or shortcut among the control tiles. Tap it to reveal the current state so you can move immediately to the next step. You now go deeper into settings to permanently disable the saver. Press Settings, choose System, then Battery so you see all available options. This is why we do it here. It stops temporary overrides. Toggle battery saver off or pick the normal power profile if your model lists profiles. If the toggle won't respond, restart the watch and repeat these steps. A reboot often clears hung processes that block settings change. Finish by verifying the battery icon returns to normal and sensors resume expected updates. This confirms the saver is off. You should also check for scheduled battery saver times and any companion app settings that might re-enable it, because phone-side profiles can override the watch. If changes don't persist, update the watch firmware and try again. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but back up activity data first. If problems continue, contact Garmin support for model-specific diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.